the X2HR model. The X2HR is a newer, updated model. There are some hints to what the differences are in the back of this box, which I'll take a look at shortly. But as far as I know, the driver was not changed. Let's take a look at the back. So the first part here just tells us that they are open back headphones. Here in the middle, we see that these headphones have 50mm high power neodymium dynamic drivers. Finally, this is the part which I was alluding to earlier. So this is crafted for comfort. The X2HR's new and large headband with an airy 3D mesh offers an improved range of fit. Ear cushions coupled with breathable velvet material of optimized density, tested and engineered to dissipate pressure and heat, ensuring superb long-wearing comfort. So I think some of the complaints that I did hear about the original X2s is that your ears would tend to get sweaty. So that's a problem for gamers, especially if you're wearing these headphones for a long time. So it seems like they addressed some of those issues, and hopefully with this new version should be better. So flipping around the box on its side, we see here the frequency range. These have a sensitivity of 100 dB and an impedance of 30 ohms, meaning we shouldn't need an amp to drive these headphones, but we'll see if that's the case. Also, the distortion is rated at 500 milliwatts. And one final thing to note is that these have the high-res audio certification. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open these up and show you guys what's inside. So here are the Philips Fidelio X2HR headphones. They look pretty good right off the bat. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out and see what else is in the box. So right away, taking them out of the box, I do feel that they have some weight to them. You can definitely tell that there's some metal in here based on the weight. They don't just feel like plastic, they feel like there's metal in here. All right, let's take a look at what else is inside. So you have your 3.5mm to 6.35mm adapter.